Hello and welcome to today's video where I'm going to be featuring the Shellwe Makeup Liana eyeshadow palette. And this palette was gifted to me by Shellwe, so thank you so much for sending it over to me. I have tried a bunch of Shellwe products and I have some videos up on those. And I will pin those videos in the caption as well as the description box in case you're interested in seeing those videos. So today I'm going to be creating one look with the palette and then I'll give you some of my initial thoughts at the end of the video. I do also have a mini version of this palette. Look how cute it is. That has a little keychain on it and look how cute it is. It is definitely smaller pans, but same shadows, and it is absolutely adorable. There is only one matte, so I'm just obviously going to be going in with that. And I'm going to take that on the outer half of my lid and just really blow it out. So I'm first kind of laying it down. I'm not going to be putting it really too much in my crease. I'm just going to focus it out here, going in with a little bit more. Seems to not really want to build up too much. This is my first time trying matte shadows from Shellwe. I'm not really sure if they've had any before. I don't think so. I have tried their pressed multi-chromes that come in the single pans. I have a dedicated video on those. So I'm gonna go in just with a little bit more out here. Sometimes I miss this little area because it's kind of hiding behind my lashes. And I'm just blending that out, like really blowing it out and bringing it just a little bit underneath my lower lash line as well, but I'm not taking it all the way across my lower lash line. And that blended out now very nicely. Taking the Fairnay Pixie Epoxy, I'm just putting it all across my lid and tapping on it. Up in Flames on the Refer 21 brush, and I'm going to be putting that on an angle across my lid. Oh my goodness, this picks up so beautifully. I am getting quite a bit of fallout. And then I'm gonna just kind of start slowly tapping it onto the outer corner here and just kind of laying it down, blending it in here. And then I'm going to take Silver Snake, which this one seems like it's sparklier, a little bit chunkier. I'm going to do essentially like a half fake cut crease situation with that. And then I'm swiping that down. And then outer corner. And here's the finished look. Okay, so some initial thoughts on the palette. I feel like, there it is, the matte green is a little bit on the more of a buildable side. I wish it was maybe a little bit deeper to go better with these two deeper shadows. While this one is not like necessarily the darkest green ever, it is definitely a bit on the darker side, so I feel like that's a little bit of a disconnect for me in here. Otherwise, these two shimmer shadows are absolutely so stunning. I love the formula. There's a little bit of a difference. I think these two are very, very smooth metallic formula, this one being a little bit shinier, and then this one is more of a sparkly formula. It's still very opaque and very beautiful, as you can see. Both the shimmers went on really, really easily, which is something I definitely appreciate. I was using the Refer 21 brush, and the little bit of a tooth that it has really just helped pick these up and put them down. I like the palette. I like that it's nice and sleek and that it's a condensed color story, but I do just have that one kind of con with the matte shadow, but I understand this is probably their first time that they're doing a matte shadow. So keep in mind that these are just some of my first impression thoughts, and let me know in the comments below if you're interested in this palette. What do you think of the color story? What do you think of my look? I would love to hear your thoughts. And if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you next time.